Chapter 18 Pictograph. In our daily life, we may study various factors and collect information on different subjects. A pictograph is a visual representation of data. Each image in the pictograph represents a specific quantity of objects. In other words, a pictograph uses images and symbols to convey data-related information. Advantages of using pictographs. The following are some of the most significant advantages of using pictographs. Pictographs are used to convey complex information in a straightforward manner. It is simple to read because all the information is presented at once. It requires no further explanation as it is universally employed. It attracts the attention of viewers or readers because it contains numerous appealing images. Some of these subjects may be number of boys in a class playing different games, number of animals in different villages, number of different toys in the shops. We may collect information and study various factors on all these subjects by counting them, such as in the first information we will have names of different games and the number of boys playing each of them. In the second information we will have names of different villages and the number of animals in each of them. In the third information we will have number of toys in different shops. Such information which we collect on a subject are called data. Thus, we define data as a collection of facts and figures. We may represent a data by tables, pictures or graphs. When we make use of picture or symbols to represent information, we call it pictorial representation or pictograph of the given information, data. Thus, a pictograph is a type of graph that uses pictures or symbols to represent number or data or information. Drawing a pictograph for a given information. The following table shows the information about the number of boys who like different fruits. Name of fruits, number of boys: mango 7, orange 3, banana 4, apple 6, guava 2. We can represent the information given in the above table by a pictograph as shown below. Number of boys like different fruits: mango 7 boys, orange 3 boys, banana 4 boys, apple 6 boys, guava 2 boys. Now let us consider another information about the number of absentees in a class on various days in a week. Days: number of absentees: Monday 3, Tuesday 2, Wednesday 4, Thursday 2, Friday 5. Let us use the figure of the face of a person to represent an absentee. We then get a pictograph as shown on the page. Pictograph represents absentees on various days of a week. Sometimes, because of large data, it is not possible to draw so many figures. In such cases, we use one picture or symbol to represent a specific number of objects. The number of information or data that each picture or symbol represents is indicated as the key. See below the pictograph. Look at the information about 200 players in a club who play different games. Hockey 30, cricket 60, football 20, basketball 40, badminton 50. It is difficult to draw 50 or 60 figures, so we use one figure to represent 10 players. Thus, we have the pictograph shown below. Number of players playing different games. Key 1 is equal to 10 players. Reading and interpreting a pictograph. Representation of data using pictograph is used to interpret the information or data. See the following example. Example: the pictograph given below shows the number of students and their favorite color. Read the pictograph and answer the following question. Key 1 is equal to 5 students. Which color do students mostly favor? From the above pictographs, we conclude that the yellow is most liked by the students. Which color is least favorite? Red and purple colors are least favorite. Which color is secondly most liked by the students? Green color is the second most favorite color. How many students participated in the contest? From the above pictograph, it is clear that in total 80 students participated in the contest. Collecting data using telemarks. Suppose there are 40 students in a class who have different choices of playing games: hockey, football, cricket, chess, and badminton. We go on asking the choice of each student and record such information. For this, we prepare a table containing the available choices. Then, we mark a vertical line for each student who called telemark against his particular choice. Once we have a set of 4 telemarks for a certain choice, then a slant line is used to cross the previous 4 which indicate the 5th telemark. Then we start with a new set of telemarks. Suppose a number of students and their respective choices of different sports is shown below. Chess 4, hockey 5, football 7, badminton 6, cricket 8. The above information may be collected as chess telemarks 4, number of students 4, hockey telemarks 5, number of students 5, football telemarks 7, number of students 7, badminton telemarks 6, number of students 6, cricket telemarks 8, number of students 8.